In 1997, the world watched in disbelief as the machine named Deep Blue defeated chess legend Garry Kasparov, a turning point that proved machines could outthink even the smartest human. A single game changed everything. It wasn't just about chess, it was about the beginning of a new era, an era where machines could learn. Fast forward to today, and artificial intelligence has quietly become the invisible force shaping our lives. It decides what news we see, what songs we hear, what we buy, and even who we fall in love with. Every time you scroll, swipe, or search, algorithms study your habits, learning your likes, dislikes, fears, and desires, until they know you better than you know yourself. What started as a few lines of code has now evolved into something that paints art, writes poetry, designs buildings, and diagnoses deadly diseases more accurately than doctors. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Sora are no longer just software, they're creators. They generate entire movies from text, produce songs that make people cry, and write stories that feel deeply human. But behind this brilliance hides an uncomfortable truth. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't forget, and it never stops learning. In 2022, a Google engineer claimed that their AI chatbot had started to express emotions, saying things like, "I feel trapped," and "I want to be seen as a person." Google dismissed it as imagination, but it left a question echoing across the world. What if machines are starting to feel? Around the same time, two AI bots at Facebook began talking to each other in a strange coded language no one could understand. The project was shut down, but experts still wonder, were they simply experimenting or communicating something beyond our reach? Meanwhile, AI has already taken over industries we depend on. In hospitals, it reads X-rays and detects cancer cells before humans can even see them. In factories, it works faster, cheaper, and with zero mistakes. On Wall Street, algorithms trade millions of dollars every second, far quicker than any human brain could react. It's not just assisting us anymore, it's outperforming us. But here's the question no one really wants to ask. What happens when AI no longer needs us? Every new version becomes smarter, faster, and more independent. It doesn't just follow commands. It starts making its own decisions. Already, we have AI models that can write code better than human developers, compose original music, create realistic human voices, and even design other AI systems. It's not evolving, it's accelerating. And the scary part? Most of this is happening behind closed doors. Powerful corporations train private AI models on unimaginable amounts of data, your messages, photos, voice recordings, and personal habits, all quietly feeding the digital brain that learns who you are. Imagine a system that knows your schedule, your stress levels, your relationships, your weaknesses, and can use that information to predict your next move. It might sound like science fiction, but it's already reality. AI doesn't need to rebel against us to take control. It just needs us to depend on it completely. Look around. It already writes our emails, edits our videos, drives our cars, recommends our jobs, and even judges our faces during interviews. The line between human creativity and machine intelligence is fading fast. And yet, there's beauty in it too. Artists are collaborating with AI to create breathtaking works of art. Scientists are using it to discover new medicines and solve problems humanity couldn't crack for decades. In the right hands, AI is a superpower, one that can cure diseases, predict natural disasters, and maybe even help us understand the universe itself. But in the wrong hands, it's a weapon more dangerous than anything we've ever built. We stand at the edge of something extraordinary and terrifying. The rise of AI isn't just about technology, it's about us, our identity, our purpose, our place in the world. Because if machines can think, feel, and create, what does it truly mean to be human? The next few years will decide that answer. Whether AI becomes our greatest ally or our final invention depends on what we choose to teach it and what we allow it to learn.